You are doing all these things. You're just ranting and raving because you're in your father's mansion, right? Meet me outside and call me names and I'll feed your body to the vultures. Go! Come! Are you mad?
Get out of here.
Go here!
Get out of here!
How can he say this to my son? Oh, your one guy gets to the vultures.
You have not heard about me. I'm sure you haven't heard about me too. But I have come in peace this time to beg you to stay away from her. The next time I visit on this issue, it will not be like this. So I'm begging you, let us respect ourselves and know our boundaries. Stay away from Anita.
Get out of my house now. Fool.
Another thing you will do, he has lost 2 million. Though. He has lost 2 million. The only thing you have to do now, new also. You start demanding for your money. Also, by the time you demand your money, demand for your money, use force, because he's supposed to pay you the money back. Use it to ask him for your money. He will be on the run. While he is running, you are busy paying Anita's bride price. Where will he get 2 million to give you back? Nowhere. He has sold Anita for 2 million. He didn't know. Can't you see?
Seriously, guy.
Your Majesty, I don't have any issues though. I'm not a problematic person. It's just that when you have refused to be exploited or cheated or used by certain people, they tag you difficult and give you all sorts of names. But let me ask Your Majesty, doesn't my grandfather have a right to his own portion of land? Ichionuke, this was not our agreement too.
Hey, Luka, we cannot discuss that now, please.
Anita, you do this to me?
Hey, Luka, I'm sorry. Please forgive me.
Now I want to ask your daughter, what makes you think that she will leave a dripping prince like me to marry a bastard like you?